Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to talk about the privacy, which is I'm human. So if this video reaches you, and I want to use this opportunity to remind you that if you have uncompleted tasks, you need to go and complete it before that first March. So before we go direct into our video, if this video reaches you, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, like I have been minted my human ID, like which is I need to require, like me, I'm using BNB. I'm required like 0.0085 in a VNB, like which they are going to deducting 0.0052 VNB. So here it is. So the thing, it is not cost too much, but definitely it will like pay you much than the thing that you imported into I'm human, like privacy. So let's go into our tax section so that we may see like how many tax did I accumulated and which tax is not being like used to be completed. So let's go for this section, which is raw center. So here it is. So I need to come and click this section, which is show off. Just click on it. So here is the all completed tax that have been made. I've made the Telegram bot verification, Telegram bot link, liveness text, unique rich score, mint, I am human NFT. So here it is. Here is the all completed and accumulated point that I've been accumulating. So let's go for the section which is the taxes that there is some taxes that used to be not completed. So don't bother for uncompleted tax. So if one of those tax is not completed for you, so don't mind. There is too many users that the tax is not being completed, because you need to open like a new Telegram group and give the vote to the admin so that it will be completed if you wish it to be completed. So me, I didn't bother to complete it because it is only 50 points that I've been getting, like when I verified it. But the thing is used to cost most headaches, because like it is not easy. And then again, here is the leaderboard of privacy. The top ranking, it has like 166 900 point. Like this is the top one that has a top point in this season 2. So we don't know like in season 1 like the highest people, how many points he accumulated, or which is the highest rank. Like so obviously so many projects like season 2 airdrop used to be better than season 1 airdrop. So we don't know like how they used to make this strategy. So here it is. So I think here is all what I want to share with you guys in this video. So if this video been helpful to you guys, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.